When to buy an asset? If you are not in the market, first get into the market. Imagine if you would have bought Amazon stock in 1997 for $10,000, then it would be worth more than 2.3 million today. But before investing in stock, if you have any high interest credit card debts or you are forced to put huge expenses on credit cards because you don't have an emergency fund, then the credit card compound interest you owe will increase. You will end up with more debts. That's why you need to pay off those credit cards and build the emergency fund first. How much money you need to invest? If you can just invest $20 per day at 10%, you would have over 1 million after 10 years. Learn how to invest and you will put the power of compound interest on your side. There are some online brokerages ranging from free and without minimum deposit requirement to professional commission-based online brokerage with minimum deposit requirement. For the beginner investor, you can start with free brokerage with no minimum deposit requirement. Now, how much money need to buy a stock? The share price of different company varies. A single share can trade anywhere from pennies for some companies to hundreds of thousands of dollars for an A-class shares of Berkshire Hathaway. Please be aware that stock trading below $5 per share tend to be extremely speculative and dangerous and usually not worth to take risk. But many companies' shares cost between $10 to $100 per share. So the good news is, if you have $5, you are good to start at any time.